Are you buying a home in Florida? There's a lot to know about homestead filing, and you want to make sure that you get it right, because filing correctly and on time can save you a lot of money. Florida Homestead Check is Florida's property tax saving headquarters, founded by a Florida real estate attorney with over a quarter century of experience. Our mission is to make sure that you don't pay any more in property taxes than you have to. Our Homestead Filing Packet is the easiest way to make sure that you file on time, correctly, and completely. The Homestead Filing Packet contains step-by-step instructions on how to file for homestead, paired with active links that you can click on for easy online homestead filing in most Florida counties, access to all the forms that you'll need, and much, much more. Did you know that Florida has over 24 different property tax exemptions? How will you know which ones you qualify for? With the Homestead Filing Packet, it's easy. Your packet contains a link to our Exemption Finder website, which will allow you to answer a series of questions and identify all of the exemptions that you're eligible for. Your packet will also show you how to check your initial tax valuation to make sure that it's accurate. And it even gives you a link to click on to get a copy of your recorded deed. Most importantly, your Homestead Filing Packet gives you access to our Property Tax Counseling Center. You can call the center any business day and get help with any homestead-related questions and assistance with completing your filing if you need it, at no extra charge. The Homestead Filing Packet is an incredible value for only $25. It's available instantly at any time at homesteadfiling.com. That's www.homesteadfiling.com. Get your Homestead Filing Packet and start off your Florida home ownership with all the savings that you're entitled to. Welcome to Florida from your friends at Florida Homestead Check.